from the Baker Outdoor Learning Center, part of Three Rivers Park District. And today we are making pineapple upside right cakes over the fire. A few things that you're going to need. Some pineapple. I've got pineapple rings, but any kind of pineapple. Save the juice, you'll want that. Brown sugar or something sweet, butterscotch or caramel works well. Your donut, your foil, and something to cut your donut with. So you take your donut, carefully cut it in half. Put half of your donut on your foil. Take your brown sugar, give it a little sprinkle, or in this case, we're going to use butterscotch. Yep. Add your pineapple ring. If you've got maraschino cherries, go ahead and stick those in as well. Little pineapple juice. And then we just wrap it in the foil. It's going to get cooked upright, so we don't have to worry about being too tight on our foil. And we're ready to take it over to the fire. Okay, we've got our fire going. There's several options of ways to cook these. You can just put them on the grill. That's fine. You could stick them in your oven at home. You can put them right on the coals. So they've been cooking for a little while on here. These don't take a lot of time. They really just need to be warmed up. We don't need to flip them. They're pineapple upside right cakes. And I can start to hear them sizzling now. You can check them anytime, but it just gets nice and warm and gooey. So I think our pineapple upside right cakes are done. So we're going to take them off the grill. Open them up. You can see it's nice and mushy in there and warm. You can just eat it right off the thing. Here. Little pineapple upside right cake. Ooh, real hot. That is really good. This is a great recipe if you, like me, have eaten your lifetime supply of s'mores. This is a great alternative. I hope you're getting outside. Enjoy. Thanks for watching our recipe today.